Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the scrappy wife behind scrappywife.com, and today I have an unboxing for you. I just recently restarted my subscription to the Hip Kit Club. That is a scrapbooking supply club. They have all kinds of goodies that they send each month, and I was just interested in having perhaps like an influx of some new supplies to inspire me in my craft room. I have been using a ton of my supplies. I quit all of my subscriptions, I believe, last year, so that I could kind of make a dent in what I had in my craft room. And I've done that. And so I've decided to restart Hip Kit Club, see how it goes. So I thought I would share with you guys the unboxing as part of rejoining. I think that there's like some bonus things in here. So I'm excited to open it up and show you. I will definitely link Hip Kit Club down below so you can check it out. They are a wonderful small company. They have a great creative team, and they just bring you a different set of supplies each month. Sometimes they are from designers, sometimes they're from in-house. So I like the kind of eclectic feel. So I'm going to open this up. If you want to check it out, stay tuned. All right, I feel like they have a little bit of rebranding since the last time I have ordered. Look at this cute little card that kind of tells you what to do, kind of tells you where to go to check out for some inspiration. And then here are all of the goodies. So, oh my goodness, there's a ton of stuff. This is, I think, the extra stuff. We'll check that out in just a moment. I'm going to move these things. This is the April kit. So they go by themes. It comes in this bag, which is really handy because you can keep everything together. And what you get are just supplies. I order the main kit, which comes with pattern papers and then some different embellishments and things that I can use in a variety of ways. I'm already seeing things I love. They do often come with chipboard, which isn't normally my favorite, but I have been making more cards for my patrons recently and been able to use chipboard in that. So, oh, look how cute that is with the Happy Easter. I could probably use that today in some memory keeping. Okay, let's just look through. It looks like this month was designed in-house, so it's Hip Kit Club designers. The theme is Chasing Dreams, and I just love the soft feel of the colors. Let's take a look at the ephemera first. You get a ton of pieces. This is so good. Look at all the eggs. Oh, this is perfect because I'm going to do some Easter memory keeping today. So that's absolutely perfect. I'm excited to use these. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the Easter basket made out of rainbows and the bunny. Love, love, love all of these. I like the butterflies too, always. Super cute and pretty. Now, the thing about a subscription is you're not always going to like all of the things, and that's okay. Sometimes you can challenge yourself to work outside of your comfort zone and use some different supplies than you are used to. Or if you have a bunch of pieces that you don't like, you can always pause your subscription for a little bit if you're not liking that particular, if you're filled with that kind of theme. So that's how I felt about Felicity Jane. I love their supplies, but they do all have this cohesive feel where when your craft room is full of it, you feel like you have plenty to work with, if that makes sense. And so there's no need to continue something like this. This one changes each month, so you get kind of a different feel. It does tend to be on the more whimsical side, which I love. That's definitely my style. So you want to pick a subscription kit that fits your style. Oh, look, all together. That's cute. Oh, there's so many cute phrases. I like this very much. I will definitely be using this in just a bit when I do some memory planning. I love it. So picking a subscription kit that fits your style, pausing it when you feel like you have enough product, because you do get a lot each month. And it can very quickly kind of overwhelm your craft space. And so just keeping tabs on what you're using, things like that, is important. All right, those are all the ephemera pieces. Those are super, super cute. Love them. Let's scoot that to the side. Looks like you get chipboard stickers one-sided here. I love the frames. Those are adorable. These are going to come in really handy as I put together some cards. Love that. Then look at these, you guys. These wood veneer buttons. Those are super cute. I just like the colors and the patterns. It's a great way for adding just a little bit of dimension here and there. Adorable. Love getting puffy alphas. This yellow is a really pretty vibrant yellow, lowercase and numbers. I always really appreciate that. And then, of course, the paper, which I'm very excited about. So let me just open the paper and we'll kind of flip through it. Okay, so again, we're going for all the spring feels. This one is called Bloom and Grow. That light pink on the back. Oh, I love that branding strip. That is super pretty. Bright Moments. Beautiful, beautiful florals. And again, that light pink. This is like a wood grain with florals on it. That's really cool. Cut Apart. This one is Celebrate Life. And on the back, you have the green. Oh, look at this. Delightful. That is beautiful. And then a very neutral. That tends to be how it is. More vibrant on one side, neutral on the other. Dream Big. Oh, that's nice. I like this body. Lots of rainbows. Full of Promise. Oh, this is cool. What a wonderful day. Time to smile. I need cake. Can't resist this. Home Sweet Home. I like the phrases. That's cool. Then we have Fin, Fun, Fun. With the stripes. This one is called Keep Shining. The pink gingham on the back. Oh, that's nice too. Sing Out Loud. Very cool. Oh, this one's good too. So Magical. I love the rainbows and the florals together. Oh, that's a neat shape too. I like that shape. That's cool. And then that's just the cardboard that comes with it. So you can see you get a whole set of supplies, designs to go together. It's a lot of fun to play with. It's this influx of new colors, new ideas into your craft space. And so I'm really excited to be receiving Hip Kit Club subscriptions. So you'll see these come up in my memory planning and other projects that I do. And then you'll see some unboxings for the next few months as I kind of enjoy getting a few new supplies. Okay, so part of the incentive to restart my subscription, they offered an embellishment pack for free. And so let's just see what's included. It's like a lot of good supplies in here. Okay, some of these I already have. This is the Keeping Cozy kit. It's kind of a wintry kit. So this one I'll be putting aside, but I did use a lot of these. I think this was part of one of the Hip Kit Club ones from last year, because I did receive this one kind of back in the day. So again, it's got some cozy vibes. These will get put away for next winter. So I got that, and then it looks like I got another thing from that same line. These are journaling pieces, I believe. Journaling bits, they're calling them. So let's see what is in here. Very cute with the little envelopes, cozy memories. The best time of the year. So again, these, I will just put these away and save them for next winter because I am all about the spring crafting right now. So those are cute. We'll store these away. What else did I get? Some thickers, foam alpha stickers, color vibe in this orange. That's pretty. That's bright. That is a color I don't use often. So that's interesting. I don't think I have this color, so that'll be good. And then I love, love, love the sentiments. This one is pretty sweet. Wherever life plants you, bloom and be beautiful. Goodbye, winter. I am so over you. You're extra special. Just all kinds of sentiments in these puffy stickers. Those are pretty cute. I'm actually going to put these over here to include with this month's kit because I think I could probably use those. And then this seems to be maybe pocket cards. They do offer a pocket card kit as well if you are into doing pocket card pages. It's not usually my specialty, but I use them in some different ways. So these look to be all one-sided. They are very pretty. Oh, that one's good. I can probably use these in card making. Oh, they sent a lot of them. Oh, I love the butterflies. Those are lovely. like that. Now some bigger ones, Now and Forever. It's pretty color paper. It's a good thickness too with these cards. Even larger. Documented. Oh, I like this one. March. So cute. All right, so that is the extra goodies I got for restarting my subscription kit. So that is what I received from the Hip Kit Club. I'm super excited, like I said, to start using these new supplies. Let me show you what I do. So each month when I receive a subscription, I put it in one of these 12 by 12 folders. I will link these below. This is how I store all of my kits. So I'll put this all in here, just slide it in, and I'll use it for the month when the next month comes in. So when I receive a kit in May, what I will do is break this apart. So I have separate ones for papers that are unused, for scraps. So I'll put the stickers and the thickers and all of that in other places, and then divide that up and then have a slot for my new kit to come in. So that's how I kind of keep the kit together as I'm working with it. I give myself a month to work with it, and then I break it up into all of its parts. So if you're wondering how I do that, you could totally get one of these for each month if you wanted to keep all of your kits together for different subscriptions. That would, totally make a lot of sense. So everything would go together, and you could file them like that. You could label it with a theme or whatever on the side. So just an idea on how to keep your kits. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. Like I said, I will link Hip Kit Club down below so you can check them out. I'm not affiliated with them, just enjoy their products. I want to give a huge shout out to all of my Patreon members. Thank you all so much for all of your support. It's because of you that I'm able to put out things on YouTube, and I just really, really appreciate it. So if you want to find out more about Patreon and some of the perks that you can receive by being a Patreon member, then check out the link for that in the description box below. All right, I hope that you all have a fabulous day, and as always, keep it creative.